What is the Conqor waterproofing system for tanks? So this is a complete system. It goes right from design right through to install. It has multiple parts to it. It's a lot faster on site than traditional methods, which also leads to it being more cost effective. This is a system that's also safer on site, so there's less trades needed. You don't need to get down into the detail, down into trenches and that sort of thing like you do with traditional methods. It's for use in sewer environments, water retaining structures, reservoirs, into agricultural, so in effluent tanks, into swimming pools, ballast tanks, that sort of thing. So why did we create the Conqor waterproofing system? This was because we originally got involved in failures of tanking systems, retro-treating structures to waterproof them, and we thought, why not take that approach of waterproofing the concrete internally and waterproofing the joints and apply it to a new project right from the design stage, right from day one. So the benefits of the Conqor waterproofing system is that it's fast on site, it's safer on site, it's more cost effective, and the best bit of all is that it's one supplier and one warranty.
Saving the world, one concrete structure at a time. Markham, adding life to concrete.